down here, which is like an 8-hour ride. So we got from there, jumped to the bottom of the Keys, then jumped back. Shaq wanted to push all the way back to Atlanta. That's a 12-hour ride. He got voted out. So we stopped again in Fort Lauderdale because that's a 4-hour run. So it would have been like, it was Atlanta to Fort Lauderdale is 8, 4 to the Key, then it would have been 4 back to Fort Lauderdale. Put the 4 extra 8 on it, we would have been 12 to get running back over there. It was a day of hot weather, rain, little bit of hail, back to hot, steamy. It was a trying situation, very tropical weather. And so we voted with Fort Lauderdale to the bottom, back to Fort Lauderdale, then run it back to ATL. That's how it's going to go now. Okay, here we go. It's official at 5,340 miles and 3/10. Shaq, how many miles you got?
I got more than you, bro.
You got more than me? And you stuck in some extra miles when I wasn't around?
No, I wasn't sneaking nothing.
You just rode them?
I rolled, bro.
You earned every mile of it?
Okay, let me see. Trip B got 5,459.8.
You did an extra 100 and something on me. God damn it. Well, you know.
That's all right, though.
It's all right. It's all right. We're going to give you that.
I got around. When I got in Atlanta, I was getting around.
Okay, we're going to give you that. We're going to give you that. Washington, D.C., I guess it add up enough mile extras. No extra points for that. Okay. As y'all saw, it's Friday to Friday. That's 7 days.
It's 8 days, bro.
8 days? Okay. Oh, yeah, we start.
We start on Friday morning.
Oh, okay.
It's Friday the next week in the evening.
All right.
We put in 8 days.
And we started on the Pacific Coast, right?
We did start on the Pacific Coast. We started in San Francisco and across the street from the zoo.
How many states did we go?
Oh, shit, I don't know.
I don't know. It's a bunch.
More than half the states is here. That's
well, we picked up 2 stragglers. You know, they was hitchhiking on the side of the road and said, we want to go. I said, well, come on then. It happened to be my wife and my Shaq's young lady with her. And so we're going to walk out here and touch the Pacific.
No, this is the Atlantic.
Oh, the Atlantic. It's been too long, I forgot where I was. But I know where I'm at now. My bad.
It's hot out here.
It's hot. I was delirious. So we're going to touch the Atlantic. Boots and tennis shoes. We could have went over and touched the Gulf of Mexico, but I ain't worried about that. It's more symbolic if you run, as the word goes, coast to coast, but you got to physically touch it to make it official. So to make it official, we go boots on the ground. How should we say? Boots in the water. That's right. Come on, Victoria. Touch the water. Touch the water. You don't get your hand wet. What?
I'll get my hand wet.
Get your hand wet. You ain't got to jump in there. Just let them know you was here. That's all. Leave your mark. You didn't put your sunglasses on. I thought you didn't want to get your shoes all wet. Too late.
Shit happens.
That's right. We here. Like I say, the marathon continues. Victoria, what did the back of my shirt say? What the back of my shirt say? Let them see what we're talking about. What it say?
Can't stop, won't stop. Money's car stereo.
Hey, it's a marathon. We're going to keep on running because that's what we do. We run. That's me. So you want to know how far off the map we is? See that little point down there? That's the Florida Keys. That's the bottom of Florida. Enlarge that a little bit. There's a whole bunch of little islands in between here and there. So this is the farthest southernest point of the United States. For those who don't know, look it up. It's 80 miles to Cuba. Ain't no ferries available, no nada. As far as you can go. So it's time to head back. Found a room over there. Lay it down. Gotta go.
Go ahead and talk, Rob.
Ready, set, record.
It's already recording, Rob.
This is where the freeway is at. You run out of land right here. You see what's on the ground. Me, Meshack, my wife, his peoples. Hey, that's all I can say.
Bunch of peoples.
Yeah. You should be here, but you ain't. That's all I got to say.